honestly feel like this was like the easiest install. I'm definitely gonna be buying some more hair from them simply because I don't want to do my hair anymore and I want to do someone else's hair. So I love doing her hair. Whoever she was, I love doing your hair.
Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swerve.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a bonnet on because we are going to be doing a review of curly me hair. I've been looking for ways to keep my hair out of tension. I'm trying to have my hair just grow even more. If you guys know what my hair looks like, my natural hair, I'll try to add like a picture here. I have very thick, full hair and I love not doing my hair. So when I saw this curly kinky wig ad down my TikTok timeline for like a good month and a half, I decided to invest and buy it. I believe I spent about $200 on this wig. We're gonna go into it. We're gonna open it together. We're gonna see, you know, the vibes. Okay, I got the 20-inch kinky curly wig. The box itself is actually really nice. I can tell that they've invested a lot of money into the box. Has some curly me gifts, which I think is really nice, especially if you're not like a hair influencer. I'm not a hair influencer, so I thought that was really nice. So it comes with an edge brush, 2 pairs of lashes, a little melt band, 3 wig caps, actually 4 wig caps, which is really nice because I went and I bought a wig cap, but now I know that I didn't need a wig cap. A little satin case for the hair. Okay, so my hair is in a ponytail and 2 braids and it's bobby pinned to the sides. I saw someone else do it, so I just copied. I've never put on a wig cap before. So we're just gonna try. I feel like starting from the back would be the smartest because that's like the thickest area. Just get it over the bobby pins. Okay, that was not hard at all. I am gonna add some powder to my wig cap, and this is the Sephora Micro Smooth. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's open the hair. Drop her out. This is an HD lace. This is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, which is amazing for someone like me who does not know how to do hair. A glueless wig is supposed to be life-changing for me, okay? I want to tighten up the straps, tighten it up a little bit. And then I think I just have to flip my head over. And then throw this back part. Okay. Oh, this feels super tight. I'm not sure this is right. So you can see it's like a closure right here. I'm gonna just take the wig cap off, unless I did this wrong. Because I can see the wig cap. Is the wig cap supposed to be pushed back more? And then it's like on my skin, I think is what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, see, that looks better. I think the wig cap is supposed to be pushed back and then it's just on my skin. Okay, I need to get an up close mirror. Hold up. Add some powder lightly just to the lace, just so that it blends like to the best of her ability. Okay, I think I'm just gonna zoom in. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Does this look stupid? It's laying really nice. Like, I'll give it that. Like, it's definitely pre-bleached and it's definitely pre-plucked. I'm just gonna style this hair how I would like my natural hair. I heard that you should cut the hair, like you don't want to leave it like this. So I'm gonna add like just a couple layers. Yeah, if I can pull this off, y'all can definitely pull this off. So first thoughts and first review, the hair definitely is very full. The curls feel really soft, but the curls are very fake looking right now. So I'm gonna do my hair how I would do my natural hair. I don't have no clips, so I'm just gonna split the hair like this and do little buns. You can see the wig cap. Yup. Some water. And I'm just gonna drench the hair. I have this, I forget what this, I think this is a Tangle Teaser brush. Comb through it with this. So now the curls are starting to look real compared to this. This looks very fake, but this can look like my hair. I love the tangle teaser too, just because it makes really pretty curls. I wonder how this would look with like a Denman brush, because I know a Denman brush makes some pretty curls too. But I'm just saturating the hair, combing it out with a tangle teaser, and this is how I would do a normal wash and go. This is how the hair looks, just water versus if you just take it out of the pack. So next I'm gonna do the Kinky Curly Knot Today. This is their natural leave-in detangler. I love this on my natural hair. I really feel like this will do good on this type of hair. This just makes the hair so soft. Like, this hair already feels like mad soft right now. The last thing I'm gonna do is add the dew mousse. This is my favorite mousse for kinky curly hair. It just holds the curls so nice, but it doesn't make the hair crispy. And yeah, so this is how I'm gonna have the curls. So again, we have this versus this. Next section. So when watching the reviews, I just kept hearing people say that the hair smelled. The hair did not smell for me. Maybe they listened to y'all, but thank the Lord, because I feel like I wouldn't have even put it in my hair if it smelled. Yeah, I'm pulling this wig off. Adding the Kinky Curly. I love hair like this because you really don't have to do nothing crazy. Then we're gonna do the dew. I feel like I could probably cut some more layers into it. Let's just go. Ooh, maybe too short. Ooh. So I added just like a little bit of layers just so that it falls a little nicer. And I also am just gonna cut the ends of this too. We have only 2 products and water in this hair, and it looks like this versus straight out the pack. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'll be right back.
Young got on one and they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some syrup. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. Something on hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no sherm. I'm in the beat with P. Litty. QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city.
Okay, so this is the wig on. This is it wet. I love it. Okay, so it's been about, I'd say 20 minutes, and the curls are starting to get, you know, a little bit harder and drier. It's 1:51 right now, so I'm just gonna wait until probably, like, I'll give it till 2:30 to give you guys my final review. The only thing that I want to do right now is fix this line right here. I don't know if I need concealer or what. I think that might be my wig cap falling off, so I'm gonna try and figure that out real quick, and then I'll be back around 2:30. It is now 2 o'clock, so I will probably just have to check in with y'all a little bit after. I'm thinking probably after I film my next video, I'll come back just to see how much it's fluffed up. Lastly, I did add a little bit of foundation right there. They feel really nice. They don't feel dry, and it doesn't feel like it give me any problems in terms of dreading up or just being really dry and hard to manage. I'm gonna see how this performs throughout the rest of the day. I just hope it don't look crazy, y'all. Again, this is my first time ever applying a wig by myself, which is why I chose glueless, just because I'm not someone who likes a lot of the hassle. I don't like all the steps. It's just not my thing. So that is why, if this does not look good the way that I think, that's why. Okay, I'm a beginner and this is my first time ever. But yeah, this was actually super easy. So if you are someone who this is also your first time ever installing a wig, please get this wig. Honestly feel like this was like the easiest install. I'm definitely gonna be buying some more hair from them, simply because I don't want to do my hair anymore and I want to do someone else's hair. So I love doing her hair. Whoever she was, I love doing her hair. It is 2:15, so it's not 2:30 yet, but we're getting close enough. The hair definitely is dry now. The roots themselves are wet, but that's sort of just how curly hair works. And this is how the curls are looking. I also heard that it is a 2-in-1 wig and that you can make it a side part wig. I low-key want to try. I wonder if it'll. Okay. Oh wait! The only thing is that the part is straight. You know, side parts are usually like curved, but you definitely could give side part with this. Oh, okay, it is a 2-in-1. I like to curve this more. Maybe that's like a me thing to do. I don't know. I feel like this looks stupid. So let me move it back. I see what she meant when she said it was a 2-in-1. Maybe someone who like knows what they're doing, but I'll just have to try that out, you know, in the future. The only thing I do feel like this is like, it's like a little, might be pushing a bit too hard on my forehead, so I might just have to like loosen it on the straps, just so that way it's not like a dent in my forehead, you know. No one wants that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys shop at Curly Me Hair for more hair like this. I am going to link the wig down below for you guys to purchase. I'm so excited for everyone to get this wig. Everyone deserves a natural hair wig like this, and I like that the curls just aren't too loose. I love that they have some oomph to them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. Something on hands you can learn.